Hey, what's up, YouTuber? This is John Rambo, coming to you this morning from out here at the range. My AR-9, I actually wanted to sell it because I'm trying to go back to 223. I'm trying to get one of them little 223 pistols with the arm braces everybody's rocking these days. So kind of made the AR-9 carbine obsolete. Now, a buddy of mine, I know he was wanting it pretty bad, and I really wanted to sell it, but he wanted to trade me a Glock 35 for it, and he's my buddy, so I had to do it. But anyway, if anybody don't know, the Glock 35 is a 40 cal intended for competition. Has adjustable sights. It's longer. It may be longer than 17. It's about an inch longer than my 19. It works in my 19's Phobos holsters. And anyway, so to sweeten the deal, it came with 2 Lone Wolf barrels. It had the original 40 barrel, and it had a Lone Wolf 9mm conversion barrel, and also the Lone Wolf 40 conversion barrel. Why you need 2 40 barrels, I don't know, but anyway, today mostly I'm out here to test the 9mm barrel. I'm going to light it up a little bit with the 40 cal. One thing I kind of noticed, I may have to change out this slide catch spring in here. I think it's popping up by accident, but we had out here shooting last week. Alright, we're going to let off a few 40s. There went one. That's what it's doing. The slide release spring's weak, I think, so I'm going to have to change that out. I'm going to try to switch it out and fire some 9s. Chamber's empty. Alright, I don't have no Glock mags for the like a Glock 17 mag. I do have a mag pull for the Glock 17. We're going to try it. I also got the Glock 40 cal mag. We'll try it, see how it does, and the Korean mag. So hopefully we won't get too many slide catches. There went one. Alright, that was the mag pull mag. I mean, the problems I was having wasn't the magazine, it was that spring. Alright, this is the Glock 40 magazine. See how it runs. Really good. all the ammo in that 3 mag. Yeah, I said it's gonna be a prop. Although smell gunpowder in the morning. Let's go look at the targets. Alright. This is where the 40s are hitting. He may have had it lined up for that, I don't know. But so it's, the 40s hitting pretty center. This was the 9mm I just shot. Not too bad. So I could pretty much switch barrels and had it basically the same accuracy out of either one. So this is John Rambo reminding you, remember kids, only you can prevent terrorism. I'm out.